Smoke rising near one of the world's busiest airports. Passengers staring at the sky in shock, and social media suddenly flooded with dramatic videos. Well, a tense moment unfolded in the heart of Gulf as reports emerged of a drone-related incident near Dubai International Airport. That's right, Dubai International Airport. But what exactly happened? Let's dwell into that. Late in the day, people living near the airport in Dubai, they began noticing something unusual. Witnesses reported hearing loud buzzing sound in the sky, the kind often linked to military drones. Later on, there were sudden explosions in the distance, followed by thick black smoke rising near the area around Terminal 2. In the meantime, passengers inside the airport and residents nearby quickly started recording videos, which soon spread across social media. Now, in those clips, debris can be seen falling near nearby roads, while airport emergency vehicles rushed towards the scene. In fact, the early speculation suggests that the object might have been an Iranian Shahed type drone, a loitering munition that can fly long distances before crashing into its target. Well, these drones, they have become widely known in recent conflict because they are cheap, they can travel in large numbers, and they are designed to explode on impact. In fact, some online reports even claim that they heard the distinct engine noise often associated with such drone movement before the blast. However, authorities quickly stepped in to calm the fear. Officials from Dubai Media House confirmed that the situation was much less severe than initial reports suggested. According to their statement, air defense systems in the region intercepted an incoming aerial object before it could even reach the airport. Well, what people saw on the ground was likely the debris from that interception falling near the airport terminal, but emergency response team, they immediately secured the area and they assured that the airport's operation remains safe. But most importantly, there were no confirmed casualty, no major structural damage that was reported inside the airport itself. Flights at Dubai International Airport, one of the busiest aviation hubs on the planet, handling tens of millions of passengers every year, continued operating after brief precautionary check. In the meantime, security teams quickly cleared the affected area while investigators began examining fragments of that object just to determine its origin. But still, the whole incident has raised serious concern across the region. The Gulf sits at the center of major global air routes, right? An energy hub chain. Any security scare near a major airport, it instantly sends a shockwave through international aviation.